Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Hyundai Tucson if your key fob battery is dead. First, you'll need to gain entry to your vehicle. Press the small button on your key fob to release the hidden mechanical key. Then, locate the keyhole on the driver's door handle. It might be under a small cover. Insert the mechanical key and turn it to unlock the door, allowing you to enter your vehicle safely. Now that you're inside, let's get your Tucson started. For vehicles with a push-button ignition, firmly press the brake pedal. Then, take your key fob, even if its battery is dead, and use the end of it to directly push the engine start/stop button. This action allows the car to read the fob's embedded chip, initiating the engine. You should hear the engine turn over. For certain Hyundai Tucson models, particularly older ones, there's an alternative method using a smart key slot. This slot is typically found in the center console or sometimes within the glove box. Insert your key fob into this designated slot, ensuring it's oriented correctly. With the fob in place, press the brake pedal and then push the engine start button to successfully start your vehicle. After successfully starting your Tucson, remember to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Hyundai fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. It's also a good idea to keep a spare battery in your vehicle for future emergencies. If these methods don't work, consider checking your car's main 12-volt battery, as it might be discharged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.